Probably that's what has happened to TV these days, because OTT is so widespread that everyone has like a Netflix or a Prime on their phone. Why would they want to come and sit in front of a screen?
They'll sit in front of the screen because Netflix and all the subscription model right now does not cater to the audience that wants to watch, let us say,
Mass kind of content.
let's not say mass, what
Okay.
women seem to like. Women like all these stories. See, women should not think they're being looked down upon. There's a business reason for this. Okay, the reason the stories are oriented to women is because the products they advertise on those serials, soap, etc.
Correct.
That's why they're called soap operas.
Right.
Is what those buying decisions they make. So most of the products that are advertised, gold and such, is actually done for women. Agarbattis and those things are done for women. Some atta, some maida and all that. Those are done for women. I'm laughing because women get upset when you say it's being done for you. But say I did 4 episodes for a TV channel.
Okay.
They asked me for 4 pilots. 4 episodes I made and gave. They showed it to a sample audience of 100 people. Okay, 7 men. 93 women they showed. And the women said, there should be more music. Those are the notes they gave. That's what they're used to. That's what they like. And they don't want to be heavily invested into understanding some funda in a thing, They like simple stories, like husband comes home drunk and, he has sold the gold chain, or Mangal Sutra, he has sold. She's given to buy drugs for her sick child, but he has gone to the bar and drunk and come home. That they'll watch, okay?
Right.
I can't imagine men also like to watch that, okay?
There are a few.
Because men are typically irresponsible. They don't,
Right.
They'll watch action stuff and all stuff they cannot do.
Fantasy.
In the road, somebody misbehaves, they'll honk the most. If some guy gets out of the car, they'll say sorry. It's like that we'll be, right?
Got it.
We are just fantasizing how we'll go and beat him up.
Very true.
That kind of movies will come and men will like that, AK-47
yeah.
and all that. They wouldn't have seen one in their lives, okay? But they'll see it in the movies and they'll imagine themselves like that.
Got it.
Women watch this, So, TV serials, there'll always some exceptions, some T.N. Sitaram or S. Sethuram. We'll do something, above that, But even they have to struggle, It's not like channels welcome them with open arms.
Correct.
Because anybody with a little bit of self-respect who wants to do the right thing will struggle. Even if they give me a lot of money, I'll not do television serials.
Okay.
I'll not act in it, I'll not appear in it, I'll not watch it, and I'll not do it, whatever money they give, because I don't trust their taste.
So, as a college, since you've been in college yourself, we all know that it's very chirpy, very energetic. And obviously, in our youthful days, we're all very good looking, right? Nowadays, what's happened is Gen Z has a concept called YOLO. You only live once, so you kind of live it to the fullest. So whoever you see is pretty much good looking. Earlier, there used to be a differentiator, right? From the dressing, from the hairstyle, but now everyone looks good. So how can a student, say Acharya student, stand out from the crowd, and how can that person break the norm that is already there in their peer circles?
See, the greatest challenge will come from AI, because in 5 years, you'll begin to have robots. Because, maids and sweepers and workers, for instance, they'll have human rights, their working hours, they'll have demand salaries, sick leave, maternity leave, and so on, right? So they're the ones who will be first replaced, because, AI will do it. And a lot of, say, haircutting and all that. You can just give an image. I want a haircut like that. Exactly, with perfect precision, a robot can do it. And we can make the robot look like, a person of your choice. Speak the language and dialect that you prefer. Mothers can have mates to look after their babies and children.
Right.
Looks like the mother, smells like the mother, talks like the mother. sings like the mother, tells the same stories, can carry the child forever, can feed at the right time, can give stuff at the right time. The baby can get more used to that thing than the actual mother. This kind of thing can happen in the future.
Yes.
So this good-looking competition is going to come from idealized. What you see in advertising, actually nobody looks like that in real life. Okay, so women are made to feel ashamed. Now men too, the metrosexual men, they're made to feel ashamed because they don't look like those models with those
Physiques,
with that six pack,
bulging muscles,
and
yes.
they don't look like that with that stance they won't have. So they'll make robots like that, that'll be walking in the street, and you'll have to compare yourself to that, not to each other anymore, because that will be done to an idealized
Correct.
standard specifications mode, right? We are not that. We are special. Each one of us is special. And what you want to lose is, why does everybody look alike now? Because everybody wants to dissolve their personality,
Correct.
and look like, acceptable. So if you want to stand out, you have to be yourself.
Hopefully, if the peer pressures and all the surroundings don't influence us and let us be us.
It will influence you, but you have to courage to be yourself. You're a unique creature of providence, nature, God, call it what you like.
Right.
You're unique in the world. There is nobody like you, and you should be proud of being yourself.
Okay.
If you want to look like somebody else, then you're second class, third class, fourth class, depending on at what layer you connect to this.
Got it.
Yeah.